Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is Hyderabad Mirchi ka Salan. This sesame seeds and groundnut based curry will be very delicious. Do try this at home. First, let us prepare the masala. Take 1/4 cup of groundnut and dry roast them. After roasting the groundnuts, add 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and finally 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Roast everything properly. Our roasting is almost over. Let this cool and transfer this into a mixie jar and make it into a fine powder. Our masala part is over. Set this aside. Take a pan, pour some oil into it and add 6 to 8 green chilies. If you don't want the curry to be more spicy, just take off the seeds from the green chilies. I have already de-seeded them. The chilies have been roasted very well here. We'll take it out. Take some oil along with it. Now set this aside and in the remaining oil add 10 to 15 cashews. To this add 1 big onion chopped. Saute the onions and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add a handful of curry leaves and give a nice saute. It is time to add our masalas now. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give a nice mix, saute them well. Add the required amount of salt. And it is time to add our prepared masala now. After mixing the masalas well, add water. If you want the salan to be thick, add less water, otherwise add more water. Now let us close this and cook till the oil oozes out. The oil has oozed out well and the salan is also cooked properly. Now it's time to add our green chilies. Add the fried green chilies along with the oil and give a nice mix. This salan will be a very nice combination for any kind of rotis and chapatis. Thank you for watching. Do try this at home and don't forget to subscribe our channel.